Today, Fun with Flowers and Jay is brought to you by Design Master Color Tool,
Fern Trust, Ocean View Flowers,
and Reliant Ribbon.
Welcome to the world of flowers. I'm Jay Schwanke. I've spent my entire life surrounded by flowers. As a fourth-generation florist, flowers have been a part of my daily life for as long as I can remember. Now I'm on a mission to share my knowledge and love of flowers with everyone I meet. Growing, picking, arranging, designing, and sharing. It's all fascinating to me because I love flowers. Anything flowers and everything flowers. Welcome to Fun with Flowers and Jay. Today on Fun with Flowers and Jay, we're announcing the uBloom Trend Synthesis for 2018 and starting with the first of 4 trends, social. I'm excited to announce the 4 new trends for 2018. These trends are featured in the uBloom Trend Synthesis. You can download your free copy at the link below. We have social, rainforest, victory garden, and crafted. Over the next weeks, we'll be exploring each one of the trends individually. Today, we'll talk about social. This is an interesting trend because it's not necessarily influenced by a specific flower type or style. It's influenced by an activity. It's the way that we feel about sharing flowers, whether it's through social media or in person, or even how flowers make us feel personally. So our first trend arrangement is a hand-tied bouquet. Let's get started. The trend social is definitely about social media. Think about all the pictures of flowers we see on social media. Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest. If we see a beautiful flower, like a parrot tulip, and we take a picture, we share it on social media to see how many likes we can get. That's part of the trend that's social. But it's also about being a society. It can involve millennials to baby boomers. We also love sharing flowers themselves. So that's another part of the social trend. Giving flowers to a friend or taking them with us when we go to someone's house. Sharing those flowers shares the happy aspects. When someone receives flowers, they feel better. Making a hand-tied bouquet like this and taking it with us as a hostess gift is a perfect way to share the trend social. It's also about the health benefits. We all know that there are health benefits with flowers. They make us feel more happy. They make us feel less depressed. People who are in hospitals who get flowers get better faster. That's part of sharing flowers socially as a society. And it's also about the global resources of knowing where flowers come from. They come from all over the world, and knowing the different types of people behind those flowers. Who grew them, where they grew, what their climate's like, what their social programs are. All of these things affect our beautiful flowers. That's the social trend. The trend social is one of our 4 trends that are available in the uBloom Trend Synthesis at the link below. Don't forget to share flowers so that you can be a part of this brand new trend social. Until next time, keep having fun with flowers.